How to shrink email message to fit one page when printing in Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to shrink email message to fit one page when printing in Outlook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and further open Outlook and sign yourself in if you have not signed in. Once you are signed in, open the mail that you want to print. Now, on top of your screen, you will see the file option. Tap on that and then navigate to the print option and then tap on that. Now, as you can see, only half of the page is available for printing, so tap on the Show Details option and make the necessary changes in the pop-up that has appeared. Change the paper size, adjust the orientation, the scale, and few other things. Once you have made the necessary changes, tap on Cancel and your changes will be saved. Now, tap on the print option again, or you can also simply tap Ctrl P and you will see that the full page print preview is available, unlike before. So this is how you can shrink email messages to fit one page when printing in Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.